Good day and welcome. I'm Rick, a man of history and your guide to the past. And I'm not going to actually take you to the past today. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about a couple of exciting developments and, well, try and get some feedback and some help. Firstly, as you probably know, my chat from the pasts are all done and dusted, and that nobody's wanted me to come and talk to them and present a person from the past to bring a little bit of history alive, which is fine, and the world is opening up a little bit more and people are able to get out and do things, and that's really exciting. However, that does mean that I'm running a little short on history shorts, that's why you're listening to me right now. But I had a great suggestion from a friend, which is that I should explore some historical myths and see if they are fact or fiction, and if they are fiction, if it's the Victorians' fault. And it's almost certainly the Victorians' fault. Those Victorians. Anyhow, so if you've got any historical facts or myths that you'd like me to debunk or confirm, please let me know. Secondly, and very exciting announcement here, I finally have a website. So you'll be able to go to historicechoes.co.uk and find, well, links to all of my social media, but to the most recent videos. They'll all be there for you to see for your viewing pleasure. And very finally, I've got the grand unveiling. The grand unveiling of my new corporate attire. This fantastic hoodie, and it is a fantastic hoodie. It's all dragon themed, so it can match my my logo, which was made for me very kindly by my cousin. And what's even better about this hoodie is it's got a little tail. How amazing is that? If you want your own very fun, very professional, mostly very fun hoodie, do check out Bugzy's Bazaar. Anyway, so please let me know what historical facts or myths you'd like me to explore and to confirm or debunk in 2 or 3 minutes. If you've got any bits of the past you'd like me to reveal to you, please let me know about those as well. And as ever, please stay safe and stay well, and I hope to see you soon. Cheerio.